Hello my mermaids and welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how I install this beautiful kinky straight and natural black. This is 20 inches of kinky straight natural black U-part wig. You guys, the easiest hairstyle ever. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to do anything. You just take your hair out. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I did it. You can do it too. You guys, this wig is so convenient, so easy. Divas Wigs is really good when it comes to this U-part wig. I am so happy about this wig and I really thought it came out really good. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna show you guys how I install it.
So when you place your order and you get your package, you are going to open up your black silk baggie, which is going to have your hair in it, all the details about your hair, how to take care of your hair, a cute little brush. And this is the U-part wig. I am showing you how it comes. It comes with 2 clips and some clips in the back as well. It also is held together by these 2 straps in the front that I am going to have to cut off to install this U-part wig. This is textured hair. It mimics our African American hair to a T. You don't have to worry about blending too much and putting too much heat on it because it's going to blend so perfectly. So I'm loving the hair. It didn't have a weird smell to it. I did wash and blow dry it to get the hair and the wig ready. And this is what it looks like, the 2 clips here, a clip in the back, and this is what it has. It has the adjustable straps in the back. And I'm going to go ahead and part my hair out. I am taking my edges out, and I'm also parting where I'm going to do the middle part. So I did decide that this is going to be a middle part. My hair is already blown out, and I'm just parting the sections off. And I'm going to go ahead and put my hair back into a very low ponytail. My hair works really well like this. If you have really thick hair, you might not be able to do this. You may have to braid it down. But if I'm wearing a style like this, I can usually just put it back into a ponytail, and this works just fine. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the wig. I have already cut the 2 pieces that were connecting it together. They're like a drawstring type of, not drawstring, they're like an adjustable strap band material. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on my head and place it where I separated the leave out where the part is. So I'm going to connect them, get them up as close as positioned where they need to be. And go ahead and connect it right there where that part is. And I have my leave out and my edges out. So what I did was, you didn't see it on camera, but to give it more security. Now it does feel secure as it is, but to give it more security, this wig only had one clip on each side, and I added bobby pins in the front to make it more secure. It was already secure, but I just wanted the extra security. So you can just add bobby pins to the front of that on each side. So now I'm just getting my part together, doing my middle part. See right here, you can see I'm combing it and it's blending perfectly. It just needs a little bit of heat and it's gonna be perfect. So now I'm just taking out my leave out to get ready to flat iron it and blend it. And it blends and flat irons perfectly. It's perfect. and it just blends so easily. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my wax stick. I'm new with using this wax stick. I've never used one before, but it seems to work pretty good. It gets all the flyaways laying down, and it smooths everything out and makes it perfect and neat. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just perfecting my part here. It blends so easily, so easily. And it's pretty secure. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my leave out more flat than what it already is and blend in more. So I'm just going to take my curling wand and just bring that and just run that up against my leave out. I'm also going to be using the curling wand to wand my hair. I'm going to show you guys how easy this hair curls. You guys, this hair is literally just like our hair. It's so bomb. So this part is really easy. I'm just taking sections from the back, and I'm just gonna curl my hair using my Remington curling wand. I've had this curling wand for years, you guys. I mean, I'm talking like 7 or 8 years. And it's been holding up beautifully and perfectly. This is called the Remington curling wand. So I'm just winding my hair. I'm not really good at using a regular curling iron, you guys. I don't even own a regular curling iron. That's something that I do want to learn how to do, is curl my hair with a curling iron. But if you don't know how to curl hair, this is the perfect option. So as you can see, you guys, I'm just curling my hair. I'm holding the curls so they can have tighter curls. When I release it, I'm holding it in my hand. But yeah, you guys, you can get any type of curl you want: tight curls, loose curls, beach curls, waves, whatever. This hair does any and everything, and I absolutely love it. As you guys can see, this hair curls up so beautifully, so easy. I mean, it took me no time to curl that. So I'm just blending, a little bit of spray, making sure it's looking the way I want it to look. I did go ahead and add some edge control around the perimeter to give me more of a sleek look and blend my edges. This looks like a sew-in, you guys. That's what I love about these U-part wigs, is like it looks like a sew-in. And a lot of people don't want to do the lace anymore, but you know, this is definitely an option. Oldie but goodie. This is never going to go out of style, so U-part wig is definitely a hit. So I just finger combed it. I didn't take a regular comb. I just used my nails to finger comb the hair. I added a little bit more of the wax stick just to get away any flyaways and just to make it look extra neat. But the look came out really, really good. The hair is gorgeous. It's long, you guys. This is 20 inches, but it seems way longer. It's down my back, and I absolutely love it.
All right, you guys, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you tomorrow for another video.